Gemini Crypto Investment Platform Review, Usage Experience. Links to Gemini's crypto investment platform are in the description. Let's jump right into the review. Gemini is a popular cryptocurrency exchange known for its emphasis on security and regulatory compliance. It offers a broad selection of cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, and many altcoins, making it an appealing choice for both new and experienced investors. The platform is highly user-friendly, with an intuitive design that allows for seamless buying, selling, and trading. Gemini also provides advanced trading features like its Active Trader platform for more experienced users, offering deeper charting tools, lower fees, and more advanced order types. One of Gemini's key strengths is its focus on security. The platform has built a strong reputation for ensuring the safety of user funds through two-factor authentication, 2FA, cold storage for assets, and a comprehensive insurance policy for digital assets held in its hot wallets. Gemini is fully regulated in the United States and complies with key financial regulations, which adds another layer of trust for users, especially those in North America. Gemini is suitable for both beginners and experienced crypto traders. The main interface is simple and easy to use, while the Active Trader version provides more in-depth features for experienced users. It supports a range of payment options, including bank transfers, wire transfers, and debit cards. Fees are competitive, starting at 0.5% for buy-sell transactions, but they can be reduced if you use the Active Trader platform. Gemini also offers the ability to earn interest on select crypto assets through its Earn program, making it attractive for those looking to generate passive income from their investments. Gemini's strong compliance with regulations, robust security features, and user-friendly platform make it a reliable choice for anyone looking to invest in cryptocurrency. Whether you're just starting or you're an experienced trader, Gemini offers everything you need to get involved in the crypto market. Check out the links in the description to explore Gemini and see if it aligns with your investment goals.